Hello dear students, hope you are safe and sound. This is Mosam, Assistant Professor English Engineering College Jhalawad. Today is the last lecture of Unit 2 Technical Communication and I will discuss two topics, strategy for organization and writing for print and online media. Strategy for organization. An organizational strategy are the actions that a company takes to achieve long-term goals and objectives. These actions make up a company's strategic plan. A strategic plan is not an immediate thing. It takes at least a year to complete, requires involvement from all the levels of company or an organization. Top management creates the larger organizational strategy while middle and lower management adopt goals and plans to fulfill the overall strategic plan step by step. This is a roadmap for a company that begins with where you are now and where you want to go. It identifies the task along with the way that how you are going to do it, who will be responsible for which thing, how you are going to perform that measure of progress and when the results are expected. Types of organizational strategy. The business owner's vision of their company's position in the marketplace determines the type of organizational strategy that the company needs. The overall objective is to gain a competitive advantage and maintain long-term profitability. It means low-cost production. The goal for this strategy is to operate at the lowest cost possible and offer lower prices to the consumer. It means the business has to minimize its cost of labor and find the cheapest sources of materials and differentiation. With a differentiation strategy, the company makes its products distinct from those who are in the competition with that particular company. It means identifying unique features or functions of the products and promoting them to focus. A company using a focus strategy concentrates on specific markets which has a smaller number of potential buyers. Concentrating on a specific markets for a specific product is called focus strategic plan. The objective of this strategy. So we have discussed the organizational strategy, how a company or a business or an organization needs to make an effective organizational strategy to gain maximum profit and reliability in the market. Now we will discuss print and online media are different for the readers as well as for the contributors. Writing for the web differs from writing for the traditional media. There are several things that we need to keep in mind while writing for print and online media. These are length. The average amount of time an online reader spends reading an article on internet is 2 minutes, while print media rarely even reach their main focus in that amount of time. So, reader attention. Online articles have to fight for a reader's attention. Even though readers generally go to an article or page intentionally, this is because the internet is highly interconnected. As internet links. Most online articles contain links throughout, so readers can easily click for more information and read the source content. While print articles feature a list of sources at the end. So, if search engine optimization. Print media does not have to deal with search engines, but online writers have to prepare their articles in such a way that they appear on the search engines more frequently. They need to use some keywords. Readability. People read electronic media differently than they read print media. But in both, people scan and search for the things that stand out, like bullet points or highlighted things. So therefore, writers, both for print media as well as. So here we complete our second unit of technical communication. We'll start the third unit in next lecture. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.